In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write basic formulas in Airtable. Simple examples 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to airtable.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. That's it for login, nice and quick. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the Airtable dashboard, you'll see your recent workspaces and bases. A base is like a lightweight database that feels a lot like a spreadsheet. In the recent section, pick a base you've been working on, or create a new one if you want to start fresh. Either way, when you open a base, it will display in grid view by default, which is perfect for building and testing formulas. Now let's add a formula field. Scroll to the far right of your table until you see the plus sign to add a new field. If you already have a formula field in your table, you can simply click its header and choose Edit Field to adjust it. If not, click the plus to create one. When the Field Setup panel opens, use the Field Type selector and choose Formula. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar in the picker and type Formula to filter the list. Choosing the correct field type here tells Airtable you want to calculate a value rather than enter it manually. Give your field a clear name so everyone understands what it does. Something like total, subtotal, or budget remaining. Now enter your formula. A simple example is adding two currency fields. Let's say you have fields named amount and tax. In the formula editor, type amount + tax. Make sure your field names are wrapped in curly braces and match the names in your table. Airtable will calculate that for every row, and the result updates automatically whenever the source fields change. Before you click Create, check the formatting options. For totals that represent money, pick a currency format and choose how many decimal places you want. If your source fields are sometimes blank, you can make the formula more forgiving. For example, IF, amount, the amount, euros, plus IF, tax, dollars, avoids blanks turning into errors by treating missing values as 0. You can always come back and refine this later. Once you're done, save the field. You'll see a new column with the calculated values filled in down the table. That's it. You've created a basic formula in Airtable, and you can repeat the same process to build out more logic as your base grows. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Airtable formulas.